Ever wondered why some organizations seem to run like well-oiled machines while others are always in a state of disarray? The answer lies in the heart of effective administration. Imagine an organization as a symphony orchestra. Without a conductor to guide them, the musicians would be left to their own devices. The result? A cacophony of sound with no harmony or direction. This is what an organization without effective administration looks like. It's a ship sailing without a compass, a football team playing without a coach. Without structure, coordination, and guidance, chaos is inevitable. Now picture the same orchestra, but this time with a skilled conductor at the helm. The musicians play in harmony, each contributing to a magnificent symphony. This is the power of effective administration. It's the conductor of the organization, ensuring each department works together towards a common goal. It's the compass guiding the ship, the coach strategizing the game plan. It's the backbone that supports and connects all parts of the organization. So, what does effective administration look like? It involves planning, organizing, directing, and controlling all aspects of an organization. It's about managing resources, both human and material, to achieve business goals. It's about making decisions that influence the direction and success of the organization. Effective administration is also about communication. It's the bridge between management and employees, ensuring everyone is on the same page. It's about fostering a positive work environment where everyone feels heard and valued. And what about the importance of effective administration in achieving business goals? Well, it's like the difference between having a map and wandering aimlessly. With effective administration, an organization can clearly define its goals, develop strategies to achieve them, and monitor progress along the way. To sum up, effective administration is the lifeblood of any successful organization. It's the conductor of the orchestra, the compass of the ship, the coach of the team. It's about planning, organizing, directing, controlling, and communicating. It's about managing resources and making important decisions. It's about fostering a positive work environment and driving the organization towards its goals. So next time you see an organization running smoothly, remember, it's not by chance. It's the result of effective administration, working tirelessly behind the scenes to orchestrate success. It's the unsung hero of every successful organization.